Dumpster Rental, Winchester, Kentucky. Need a reliable way to handle waste for your next project? Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC is your go-to solution for dumpster rental in Winchester, Kentucky, offering convenience and affordability for any job, big or small. Whether you're tackling a home cleanout, managing a large construction site, or planning a major renovation, we offer dumpsters in various sizes to meet your needs. Our easy, hassle-free rental process ensures timely delivery straight to your location without complications. We offer flexible rental terms, allowing you to keep the dumpster as long as necessary. Once your project is finished, we'll promptly collect it, ensuring your site stays clean and on track. At Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, we believe in transparency. Our upfront pricing means you'll never be surprised by hidden fees. What you see is what you get, making budgeting simple. Our team is committed to making waste management stress-free. From fast delivery to prompt pickup, we ensure a seamless experience so you can focus on your project without worry. Do you need help determining which dumpster size is right for you? Our friendly team is here to guide you through the process and help you make the best choice for your needs. Call Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC at 859-544-4795 today to book your dumpster rental. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on what matters most.